When your dua is delayed, trust the Creator's timing. Story of Yusuf. The pain of waiting in the human struggle. There are moments when the heart feels heavy, not because something bad happened today, but because nothing has happened. You make dua, but nothing shifts. You whisper your pain in the stillness of the night, but the morning looks the same. You hold on to hope, but the silence becomes louder. Inside your chest, a soft fear begins to grow. What if my dua is not accepted? What if the Creator didn't hear me? What if something is wrong with me? Why is everyone else moving forward except me? This is the pain of waiting. A hidden pain. A quiet pain. A pain that does not show on your face but lives inside your heart. But here's the truth: delayed does not mean denied. Silence does not mean forgotten. Waiting does not mean the Creator has turned away from you. Every heart that ever trusted the Creator has walked through a season of delay. Even the most beloved souls, the prophets themselves. And the one whose story teaches us waiting the most is Prophet Yusuf. His life shows us that the Creator's timing is not slow, it is perfect. Your dua is not lost. Your voice is not unseen. Your pain is not ignored. Your waiting is not meaningless. This is the beginning of understanding why the Creator delays, and why that delay may be shaping the most beautiful chapter of your life. Prophet Yusuf's journey is a journey of slow miracles. Miracles that arrive through years of waiting. As a child, he was thrown into a well, left alone in cold darkness. He was taken far from his father, the person who loved him the most. He was sold into slavery, placed in a world that wasn't his. He was falsely accused, despite his purity and innocence. He was imprisoned, because of lies told by others. And even in prison, when he helped someone and asked to be remembered, that person forgot him for years. Every chapter of Yusuf's life looked like a dua left unanswered. The well looked like abandonment. Slavery looked like loss. The false accusation looked unfair. The prison looked hopeless. The forgetfulness looked cruel. But in truth, these were not punishments. They were preparations. Every delay was positioning him. Every silence was protecting him. Every closed door was leading him exactly where he needed to be. If Yusuf had been released earlier, he would never have reached the palace. Never have become a leader. Never have fulfilled his destiny. His delay was his destiny. And so is yours. Your delays are not wasted. Your pain has purpose. Your waiting is leading you to a place you cannot see yet but will one day understand. Why the Creator delays your prayer is never ignored. Not a single whisper. Not a single tear. Not a single heartbeat that cried out to the sky has ever gone unnoticed. But the Creator answers with wisdom, with timing, with protection, not with speed. Sometimes you don't see movement on the outside, because the Creator is moving everything on the inside of your destiny. And here's why your prayer may be delayed. 1. The Creator is protecting you. There are things you want with your whole heart, but the Creator sees what your heart cannot see. He sees the dangers hidden behind the things you desire. He sees the heartbreak behind the door you keep knocking on. He sees the disappointment hiding behind the opportunity you think is perfect. He sees the pain behind the thing you're begging for. Sometimes you're praying for something that would break you, confuse you, or take you away from your purpose. So the Creator blocks it. Not to harm you, but to shield you. Just like Prophet Yusuf was protected from the plans of those who wished him harm. Some delays are walls built out of pure mercy. Some delays are barriers made out of protection. Some delays are the Creator saying, I love you too much to let this hurt you. He removes you from people you begged for. He closes doors you tried to force open. He holds you back from roads that look beautiful but lead to heartbreak. You think you're being delayed, but you are being saved. 2. The blessing is still being prepared. Sometimes your prayer is ready, but your blessing is still being arranged. Behind the veil of the unseen, someone's heart needs to soften. Someone's path needs to shift. Someone's intentions need to change. A job needs to open. A person needs to mature. A door needs to unlock. A situation needs to settle. The Creator prepares blessings with such precision that one small detail out of place can change the entire story. Prophet Yusuf could not leave the prison until the king saw a dream that only he could interpret, until the right person finally remembered him, until time, place, and destiny all aligned perfectly. Your blessing also has an appointment, a specific moment, a written time in your life that is already chosen for you. Not a second early, not a second late. The delay means it's not ready yet, but it's coming. 3. You are being prepared. You may think you are ready, but the Creator knows the truth of your heart. He knows what still needs healing. He knows which wounds still need closing. He knows which parts of you still need strength. Sometimes the blessing is heavy, and your heart needs to be stronger before you can carry it. Sometimes what you want requires patience you haven't developed yet, wisdom you haven't learned yet, or faith you haven't built yet. The Creator delays your prayer to prepare you for what you asked for. Every day you wait, you are becoming stronger. Every tear you shed softens your heart. Every moment you spend confused grows your trust. Every disappointment removes your attachment from the wrong things. Every silence teaches your soul to rely on Him alone. Yusuf entered prison as a young man, but he left as a leader. Your waiting is doing the same for you. It is building the version of you who can hold the blessing with maturity, confidence, and gratitude. 4. Something greater is coming. You ask for what is good, but the Creator wants to give what is best. You cry for a door to open, but the Creator is building you a palace behind it. You ask for a small relief, but He is preparing a breakthrough that will transform your entire life. Yusuf only wanted freedom. Something small. Something simple. A normal life. But the Creator wrote for him a position of honor, wisdom, and leadership. His delay was not a no, it was a "my plan is bigger." Your delay carries that same secret. When the Creator delays something, it is because He is preparing something better than your imagination. Trust that. 5. The Creator loves your voice. When you are desperate, your prayer becomes real. Your voice becomes sincere. Your heart becomes humble. The Creator loves the sound of you calling Him. Not because He wants you to suffer, but because He wants your soul to return to Him with softness, with truth, with depth. Some delays happen because your closeness to Him is more valuable than the thing you are asking for. He draws you near in the waiting. He purifies your heart. He strengthens your bond with Him. He teaches you reliance you would have never learned through an immediate answer. You are not rejected, you are being aligned. The Creator's delay is not rejection. It is redirection. It is positioning. It is alignment. You are not being pushed away. You are being placed exactly where you need to be. You are being guided toward peace. You are being shaped for purpose. You are being prepared for something better than what you imagined. You are not behind. You are becoming. You are not forgotten. You are being written into something greater. Your prayer is not denied. It is on its way, in the most perfect form. After years of waiting, years of silence, years of disappointment, years where every day felt the same, everything changed for Yusuf in a single moment. One moment he was surrounded by walls. The next, he was walking into royalty. One moment he was forgotten by people. The next, he was remembered by destiny. One moment he was a prisoner. The next, he was elevated to a position of honor, dignity, and purpose. This is the way the Creator works. His help arrives suddenly, in ways you never imagined. In moments you never predicted. After seasons where it felt like nothing would ever change. Slowly, then suddenly. Silently, then beautifully. Gently, then powerfully. Your moment will come the same way. You may be in a dark chapter right now, but none of your waiting is wasted. You may feel forgotten, but the Creator never forgets the one who whispers to Him in the night. You may feel stuck, but your story is moving even when your life feels paused. You may feel unseen, but the Creator sees every detail of your struggle. You may feel tired, but this tiredness is not the end. It is only a transition. A sacred moment of becoming. Your delay has meaning. Your silence has purpose. Your path has wisdom. Your pain has depth. Your waiting has beauty. There will come a moment when everything makes sense. When every prayer unfolds. When every fear disappears. When every tear becomes meaningful. When every delay shows its purpose. And when your blessing arrives, it will arrive in such a perfect way that you will say, if this came earlier, it would not be this beautiful. The Creator is never late. He is exact, precise, perfect. You are not forgotten. You are not denied. You are not behind. You are on time, the Creator's time. Your moment is written, and it is on its way. O Almighty, for every heart that is waiting, wrap them in your mercy. For every soul that feels delayed, send them the peace of knowing that you never abandon. For every prayer that feels unanswered, place hope back into their chest. O Creator, open the doors that are meant for them. Close the ones that will harm them. Protect their hearts from what is not written for them. Strengthen them until relief arrives. Guide their steps with wisdom. Fill their nights with reassurance. Fill their days with light. And write for them a future that makes every moment of waiting worth it. Amin.